Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For anyone who's new here, hi, my name is Nikki. For today's video, we're going to talk about how to start your very own business. There are 8 steps that I think, or 8 things that I think are very important when starting your very own small business. The first one being, what business do you want to start? Now, as simple as that may seem, because there are many people who will turn their hobby into a small business, there's something we have to remember. Not all hobbies are profitable. Not all hobbies can be turned into a small business. In this case, a little bit of research will come into play. When you're doing your research, there's 2 things I want you to think about or consider. 1, is that niche or category profitable? And 2, can you see yourself doing that certain activity or that certain business in the long run? The second thing is, look to see if there's a demand for that business. The demand for any business has to be higher than the supply. Even if you were to join a congested niche or category, as long as the demand way surpasses the supply for that business, you're still on good track to have a profitable business. The third thing is to research vendors and materials. This is very important for several reasons. One of which is you want to make sure that the vendors and the materials you plan to use for your small business is accessible to you. You want to make sure that you can find backup vendors for your primary vendors. In the case that your primary vendor is to run low on supplies or have supply shortage, it won't directly or indirectly affect your business because you'll have a separate vendor who you can get either similar or exact same materials from for your small business. The fourth thing, using that same research about your vendors and materials to set a budget, whether for your startup or the initial budget for your business. When you research your materials, it will give you an example of what your cost will be to get the raw materials for your end products. That will help you set a budget to know how much your expense on average would be, whether per month or bi-weekly or weekly when you need to get your materials. Setting a budget for your business will also ensure that you properly price your product or your services. I have a COGS breakdown Excel sheet attached in the description box, free for you to download if you need help pricing your products or keeping track of your expenses for your business. The next step is to write a business plan. You do not need to write a 6 to 10 page business plan. You can write something as simple as a 1-page lean business plan. It will still have key factors like what your company is about, what problem you're trying to solve, what solution do you have for that problem, your target market, your marketing activities, your expenses. All the key factors of a regularly 6 to 10 page business plan can all be implemented in that 1-page business plan. A business plan is important because it keeps you abreast of your goals and your targets. Whenever you find yourself going off track for your business, all you have to do is refer back to your business plan to get you back on track. All businesses, regardless of what size, should have a business plan. A business plan is detrimental to every business. The next thing is market your products or your service before you even launch your business. I have found, based on research, that people who create anticipation for their products or their service before they launch have a higher sales initially for their startup of their business. You gather potential customers and potential pre-sales when you do something like that. Create a business page on Instagram, Facebook, sometimes even TikTok, Twitter, all those social platforms. Create a business page for your business. Start promoting your service. You do not need to have a start date set or a launch date set. Just announce to potential customers that you'll be launching XYZ product or service within XYZ month. Build a social gathering around your business before you launch. The next thing is create a website for your business. You want to make sure you have a professional, yet aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly website. Have someone test your website before you launch, just to ensure that everything operates smoothly and a customer can operate your website, but also check out easily without any hiccups. And the last thing, but not in the least important, is get an LLC. However, remember that not all small businesses require an LLC. That is something you have to refer to a CPA or a lawyer about to see if your business will require one. If you're required to have an LLC, I need you to do 3 things with an LLC. First, get your EIN number from the IRS. It is very much free, there's no charge with it. Once you get your EIN number, open a business bank account. You're going to transfer all the funds for your startup business from your personal account into that business account. Third thing is, make all expense and purchases from your business account and your business account only. Remember, the point of having an LLC is to separate your personal asset from your business asset. If you use your personal asset or your personal account to do all the purchases for your business, you're very much disregarding what an LLC is doing for you. The LLC, in case of a liable suit, will prevent any individual or company from coming after your home, your car, and your personal checking or savings account. So remember, when you get your LLC, use it to separate your business asset from your personal asset. That is it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below where you are in your small business and what steps you have to take next. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And like always, guys, please stay safe. Bye.